video. And today the topic is pronouns. Now this one is very important topic from English grammar. We will learn about pronouns today. So let's begin, dear. See, now the main thing is, the important thing is that what is pronoun? We must know about pronoun first. Now, pronouns are words that replaces nouns. Means instead of nouns, you can use in a sentence pronouns like I, me, she. Like if you say Rita dances well, Rita is very good girl. Instead of Rita, we can say she is very good girl. Like Rita dances well and she is very good girl. So this is the main thing of pronoun. Like there is no need to use the name 100 times. We can use pronouns in a sentence instead of nouns. Now the second part is why we use pronoun in a sentence. Why it is necessary to use pronouns in a sentence. Like a pronoun replaces a noun. Like in Spain, apples are amazing. They look like cartoon apples. Okay, there is no need to say that apples are amazing. Apples look like cartoon apples. No, instead of apples, you can use they in a sentence. In fact, a pronoun replaces anything functioning as a noun. Okay, if it is functioning like a noun, then you can replace there also. Now, the third part is types of pronouns. There are, means I am going to tell about 7 pronouns today. About 7 pronouns, okay? So they are personal pronouns, interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, possessive pronouns, indefinite pronouns, relative and reflexive pronouns. We will start class with these 7 pronouns today. Okay, I think it's very interesting, no? See, now the next thing is definitions of pronouns with example. It is very important to know about the definition also, because if you don't know how to use and if you don't know what is the definition of the pronoun, you may have some problem. Okay, so definition and examples of pronouns is very much important. Now, personal pronoun. What is personal pronouns? A personal pronoun is a pronoun that is associated primarily with a particular person in the grammatical sense. Like there are 2 types of personal pronouns, subject pronouns and object pronouns. See the example in subject pronouns: I, he, she, we, they. And why we are calling this subject pronoun? Like she is a very good girl. I am telling a sentence. I am speaking about a sentence that she is a very good girl. Now in this sentence, who is subject? She is subject. I am talking about her. For that reason, that is subject pronoun. What is interrogative pronouns? Interrogative pronouns are asked or are used to ask questions. Means if you are asking any question to anyone, then that is interrogative pronoun. Now how you will make a sentence? Like whose, which, whom, what. These are all examples of interrogative pronoun. Like how are you? Where are you going? So you are asking one question to someone. For that reason, that one is interrogative. interrogative pronoun. The next is demonstrative pronoun. Now what is demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun, as an example, you can say these, that, these. They point out a person, place or thing and are used along in a sentence. You can say like that also. Example, this is my favorite pet. This cat is my favorite pet. Those are delicious. Those brownies are delicious. Now, in this example, you got that which sentence is correct and which sentence is incorrect as adjective and pronoun. Okay, the next thing is possessive pronoun. Now, what is possessive pronoun? See, a possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. Like you have some ownership in something or someone. For that reason, that is called possessive pronoun. Like this is my pen, not your pen. Like this is my pen. You are talking about your pen. For that reason, that is possessive. You are telling that you are the owner of that pen. Now, the next part is indefinite pronoun and relative pronoun. Now, which one is indefinite pronoun? See, indefinite pronouns refer to a non-specific person or a thing. Like, if you examples of indefinite pronouns are anyone, anything, everybody, nobody. These are all examples of indefinite pronoun. Like, it's refer to a non-specific person or a thing. You are not telling about some specific person. You are telling anyone can do this. So, this one is indefinite pronoun. You are not telling that Rahul can do this. You are telling that anyone can do this. So this one is a part of indefinite pronoun. Now what is relative pronoun? A relative pronoun is used to connect a clause or phrase to a noun. Okay, so this one is relative pronoun. Now reflexive pronoun. What is reflexive pronoun? That is the subject and directs the action of the verb back to the subject. Example, Darren let himself believe that he was the winner of the race. Means, see, it refers to the subject and directs the action of the verb back to the subject. Darren is himself telling that he was the winner of the race. You are telling about yourself. For that reason, that is reflexive pronoun. Got it, dear? I guess everyone understood this chapter pronoun very easily. So if you have any question, then you can directly ask me. And where you will ask in my channel in the portion where you can write it down on comments. See, assignment, I am giving you one assignment. If you complete this assignment, it will be very helpful to you. And if you have any question from this assignment also, then you can ask me the question in the comment section. I will definitely solve your problem. So dear, if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe our channel.